Hi everyone, we're going to find the x-intercepts of this logarithmic function, and the first thing I'm going to do is condense it first by doing the power property here, moving the 2 here, and then using the difference, the quotient property. So I can just condense this a little bit with a single logarithm, and this would be x plus 5 over x minus 1 squared, because I moved the 2 over here. Now, you know on x-intercepts on the graph, that means y is 0. So we're going to, if this was your y, we're going to let that be 0 equals log of x plus 5 over x minus 1 squared. So we know that log 1 equals 0. And the reason we know that is because 10 to the 0 equals 1, and this base right here is 10. It's the common log. So basically we want this right here to equal 1, because then we'll have log of 1 and that equals 0. So I'm going to set this part to 1. So we're going to have 1 equals x plus 5 over x minus 1 squared. And then I'm going to cross multiply. And so you're going to get x minus 1 squared equals x plus 5. I'm going to go ahead and FOIL that out. That's going to be x squared minus 2x plus 1 equals x plus 5, and move everything over. So I'll do that on the next slide. I'm going to subtract the x, subtract the 5 from both sides. I'm going to subtract the x, subtract the 5. That's going to leave you 0 here, and you're going to get x squared minus 3x minus 4. Now, going to the other side, we had x squared minus 3x minus 4 equals 0. I'm going to factor that. That's going to be x minus 4 and x plus 1 equals 0. So solving for this, we get x equals 4 and x equals negative 1. Now I'm going to write down my original log equation that they gave us, and that was f of x equals log, the common logs, that's be x plus 5 minus 2 log times log x minus 1. Now, we know from previous videos that this quantity inside here, the domain, has to be greater than 0. So when I plug in my 4, it works there, because that would be log of 9, and that's greater than 0. It also works in this one, because that would be minus 2 log of 3. However, when I plug in negative 1, it works in this quantity here, but it doesn't work in this one. So we have to disregard this one. And we have one x-intercept, and so when y is 0, x is 4. Okay? So your y-intercept is 4. And that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.